Summer is a time for vacation road trips, but imagine one that lasts 4 years and, oh yeah, you have to build the car. The DEP's Jake Glantz joins us now with the details.
Greg, it's called the EcoCAR3, and it pits teams from 16 universities in a 4-year competition to design and build a plug-in hybrid car. It's based on a Chevy Camaro platform, and the team from WVU is looking to improve on a strong finish to year 3 as they race towards the finish line. When we last checked in, the team had just received its stock Camaro from General Motors. The replacement 4-cylinder engine was still rigged up to a test stand. And the batteries, controls, and drivetrain were all still works in progress. Fast forward 18 months, and the new hybrid Camaro is ready to hit the road.
We were really excited to get 4th place overall in the competition. We performed very well at competition, at the year-end competition up in Michigan, and had very good presentations down in Washington, D.C. So we're just looking at improving our car. With that, we hope that means a better place overall, but we're really looking at just improving our car, trying to make a difference with how people view hybrid electric vehicles and stuff like that.
And that's important because maintaining or even improving the stock Camaro's performance is one of the main requirements of the competition.
A big thing that we're trying to do is break this Prius stereotype. Everyone looks at a hybrid vehicle or an all-electric vehicle and they don't see the performance aspect out there. And when you look at some of the best performing vehicles, most of them are hybrids, P1 McLaren, Porsche 918, and I think GM is realizing that they want to move toward that with their hybrid vehicles.
But this is more than just an engineering exercise.
So this is a multidisciplinary project. We have students from all different types of engineering, College of Business, Reed College of Media. We have had students not just from mechanical and aerospace, but from electrical engineering, computer science, industrial, petroleum, natural gas. All of them see how this is a great opportunity to get involved with the project. And it's not just building a car, it's how you sell it, who you're trying to sell to, things of that nature.
Because this is a 4-year project, there's a lot of turnover from year to year as students graduate and move on to begin their careers. Anthony Basil is an industrial engineer major starting his junior year, one of the newest members of the team.
Well, it's an incredible project. Just being able to understand technical details that you really never thought you would have been able to experience without a project like this. The electrical engineering, the industrial, the computer science, everything behind the foundation of the car, it opens you up to all these different types of engineerings and disciplines to make you more acquainted to any project you may face.
You're not going to get that sort of breadth of experience anywhere else. From the mechanical to electrical to controls, project management, communications, our advanced driver assistance systems, all the teams. I mean, they get hands-on experience with this car that I don't think they're going to get anywhere else other than industry. And General Motors, one of the prime sponsors, obviously, what they really get out of this is a trained workforce, right? And so they hire a lot of our students. This is not a competition for the meek, right? I mean, the students who come in, they've heard how demanding it is, and they want that challenge. They want to come in and work hard and work on building this car, right? So that to me has been the most rewarding thing. One, to see them overcome challenges and see them build this car is one thing, but to see them go out and get good jobs that they may or may not have been able to get if they hadn't worked on the program, but certainly they go in with a lot more breadth of knowledge and experience than that they would if they hadn't worked on the EcoCar.
In the final year of the competition, students will focus on marketing their car, but there's still a lot of wrench work to be done. Things like adjusting the suspension to improve ride quality and handling, lightening the car so it improves performance and range, and refining the control systems to improve drivability and increase the responsiveness of the car. All in all, a very busy year ahead for the students at WVU. For Environment Matters, I'm Jake Glantz.
Thanks, Jake. Next stop for the team, a trip to the Transportation Research Center Proving Ground in Ohio for an extended emissions and energy consumption test in the fall, And then next spring, it's off to Los Angeles for a road test. You can follow the team on Facebook. They're at WVU EcoCAR3.